Coming at you again. You guessed it. Coming at you from here again. Now bring me a bottle of ice cold water. It's 95 degrees out here. That's why I like having an assistant with me. Here's a cool hat I haven't worn in a long time. Over here, Cass Scenic Railroad 25th Anniversary, 1988. And over here, Penn Central, pre-Conrail. Oh, I like Ployster Cult too. I've seen them in concert twice. They say don't fear the Reaper, but at my age I can't help it. Just got a green block there, which means something should soon appear. As I keep saying till I'm blue in the face, wait for it. And now it's been a couple of days. We're still waiting for that train to appear. Or it sure seems like that anyway, like it's been that long. Really been about 20 minutes. And now it's been almost half an hour. I think the Ma and Pa was faster than this. And they're famous for being slow. And finally, 3 days later, and there you have it. The couple of B&O cars and New York Central cars in the consist. Both defunct road names. And different camera angle, courtesy of her. You guessed it, here in Havre de Grace, Maryland, by the Susquehanna. And over here what could be an injured osprey. To me, it appears to be an osprey anyway. But why is it sitting like that? Anybody got any suggestions? Please comment. Maybe he's saying CSX is for the birds that kept you waiting too long. Well, that appears to be an osprey, all right. Hope he isn't hurt. Because if that's an osprey, they're protected. They're considered endangered species. Don't worry, the bullfrog won't hurt you. I'm starting to feel sorry for him, to tell you the truth. He's okay after all. He just got up. That's good. Poor endangered birdie. Strike a pose. Check a tail feather. In the meantime, until he does, enjoy this. It's a silly time. At least our birdie appears to be all right. Hard to follow him around, though. See ya. I rail fanned enough for one day. Head back to the big city. But the older I get, the harder it gets.